My name is Ziadam, I'm 23 years old and I'm an entrepreneur from London. See, I often get asked, what is it that I do for a living? Whilst that may be very easy for me to say straightforward and just say digital marketing, it's never actually that straightforward. So first of all, just to make things clear, what I do requires no experience, no degree and no form of education at all. Matter of fact, I actually dropped out of university in 2015 to start a digital marketing business that has allowed me to travel the world full time, buy the car of my dreams and finally become financially free. Which is why I wanted to make this video to briefly go over exactly what I do and how you can get involved too. So I actually have 3 streams of income that I currently use to generate a full-time income online. The first income stream is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. So what that means in simple plain English is if a company or an individual has a product that they need advertising for, you as an advertiser can advertise that product, and once you make a sale or a customer purchase a product through your referral, you will make a commission. Now, commissions can range anywhere from 5% all the way up to 90%. Now there's cheaper products and there's more expensive products. A low ticket product, for example, may cost $100 and pay you 50% in commission. Anytime you make a sale on that, you make $50, right? But a high ticket product may cost $10,000 and pay you 50% in commission, and then pay you $5,000 in commission. So that's income stream number 1, affiliate marketing. And I've created a separate video for you to go ahead and check out so that you can have a much more better understanding of how you can get involved. But before you do that, I want to move on to my second income stream number 2. So here we are, income stream number 2. Now my second income stream is something called social media marketing. Now what is social media marketing? It's really plain and simple, and it really does say it in the name. My second stream of income is something that most people use but don't actually reap the benefits of. And to explain what that really is, it is actually in the name of itself. Social media marketing. Businesses can pay me anywhere from £500 to £5,000 per month to advertise their business online. People are doing this all around the world and are making an absolute killing off this income stream. How would we promote someone's business using social media marketing? Well, have a look at some of the services that we currently use on a day-to-day basis. We have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have places like Instagram that currently allow advertisers to use their tools to promote their businesses to gain more exposure. Now, as easy as that may sound, you actually have to acquire a skill set to actually advertise using social media marketing. It's not as easy as it sounds. However, I've actually done a video that breaks down how to actually get started in social media marketing, how you can get businesses to pay you using social media marketing to promote their businesses. But before you go ahead and check out that video, I want to share with you my third income stream. Income stream number 3, consulting. Now I have found consulting to be one of the fastest and most easiest ways to get paid for the knowledge that you already know. Think about it for a second. Imagine people paying you from anywhere around the world for the knowledge that you already know. Now that may be Forex, it may be e-commerce, it may be Facebook advertising, it may be teaching other people how to build a business online, dancing, cooking, the list goes on. Now what's important is for you to identify exactly what you're passionate about and teach that in your niche and in your field. Now if you're interested and you would like to learn how to build your own consulting business, I've done a separate video below that lists out all the steps required for you to build your own consulting business. Now just to give a quick recap of all 3 income streams. Income stream number 1, affiliate marketing, 2, social media marketing, and 3, expert consulting. Now I've listed every single one of these income streams below, and I want you to go ahead and check out the ones that you find which will suit you the best. Now there's so many ways that you can make money online, but for me personally, I have found these 3 ways to be the most efficient and most effective way to make money. Now if you're still watching this shows me that you are excited and finally ready to start building your own business online. So go ahead and check out the 3 videos that I've listed below which suit you the best, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.